Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Stuart, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. It is almost dark here in the Canadian Maritimes. Anyway, this video, you probably went on to Google. You heard of the Google. Well, you must have heard of the Google if you're here. And typed in, getting started with Parks on the Air or doing my first activation with Parks on the Air. So this video here is for you guys that are interested in doing your first activation or just getting started as an activator with Parks on the Air. There is a number of sources on the internet that'll tell you how to properly do it. This is just my recommendations. Take what you can out of it. Watch all the videos you can possibly watch and make it your own. That's the most important thing. Make it your own. Don't copy anyone else. Don't copy me. Don't copy any of the activators that are out there. Cherry pick ideas, but make it your own. But here are some tips to get you started. I've done 233 unique parks. I don't know how many activations I've done, close to 500. And I do it the same way all the time. Some things may vary slightly, but most of the time it's the same. The first tip I can share with you, you do not need to go out and spend thousands and thousands of dollars to get the latest POTA branded stuff. All you need is a radio. Any radio will do. HF, VHF. You pick. You're probably going to have better luck with HF, but I've known people that do VHF. But let's stick with HF. You don't need anything fancy. FT891 is a good choice. There's others. I use FT891. You can use any HF radio that you want. You need an antenna. Some people start with a very simple vertical, an end-fed half wave, a mag mount on top of their car. You pick the one that works best for you. I use the KJ6ER POTA Performer right now. Seems to work really well, easy to set up, easy to tear down, and it just works. I could talk all over the world on that antenna. You need a battery. Probably go out and get an eco-worthy, I recommend eco-worthy, it's cost effective and it works good. Eco-worthy 30 amp hour, 50 amp hour. Pick the size of the battery that you need. Probably a 30 amp hour will be enough for you to get started. You're going to need a computer. Don't paper log, please. I know lots of guys paper log. Why do the extra work? Why have to go home and enter it all into your computer? Get yourself a tablet or a laptop. Just go buy a refurbished one. That's what I did. I bought a refurbished MacBook off of Amazon. Works great. Paid like $300 for it. Works great. It runs Polo, which is the software that I would recommend that you use. It's free to download from the App Store. Can't get any easier than that. Everything else is a nice to have. You need a radio, you need an antenna, you need some coax, you need some power, and you need some log, and you need some gas for your car or truck to get out to the site. Everything else is just gravy. Don't make it complex. That's my tip here. Don't make your first few activations complex. Keep it simple. Keep it very, very simple, and you'll have fun. And don't worry about making mistakes. You don't have to be perfect. Nobody's judging you. Just go out. If you make a mistake, oh well. You know what? I've done close to 500 activations, and I still screw up from time to time. So don't worry about it. There you go. There's some very basic tips to get you started. Keep your equipment simple. Turn off all the noise. Watch all the videos you want. Cherry pick the ideas that work for you, and you do you. If you want to do it rag chew style, that's fine. You want to do it contesting style like I do, that's fine. If you want to pick your own style. If you just want to work the X, go for it. If you just want to work Bob in New Jersey, that's fine too. Anyway, I'm Stuart, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. Keep it simple, and you'll have fun doing your first Parks on the Air activation. Reach out to me if you have any questions. Leave a comment below. Send me an email. My address is on QRZ. And we'll talk to you all in the next video.